High schoolers using e-cigarettes or vaping. E-cigarettes
across the country are cracking down on the public use and sale of vape products. San Francisco
strictly tobacco-flavored e-cigarettes. Federal guidelines are pending.
Vaping as of
cigarettes, a new
seizures after vaping.
Has many calling it an emerging public
Wisconsin with a new warning on vaping, saying it can be not only a threat to lungs but also to mental health.
NBC 26 linked to one's mental health. Last year, more than 2.5 million middle and high school students reported using e-cigarette products, and more than a
Call me Arbella, and I am addicted to nicotine.
Vaping made my social anxieties 10 times worse.
So today, you know, we're just bumming out next to ARC. We got...
It was just a bit of fun, but not being able to breathe because of lung damage is definitely not fun.
Causing chest discomfort, a sore shoulder, and life-threatening damage to his heart.
Breathe.
My heart started cramping up.
It's beating so fast.
Nicotine's a neurotoxin that can escalate.
Vaping nicotine can actually increase feelings of stress.
Somebody's watching me.